spot. Call this River Square. The hottest spot on the river to find food and drinks.
Yeah, this is spot.
Here's Casa Rio. This was the first restaurant on the Riverwalk. It opened in 1946, 78 years ago. And not only do they have the most time on the river, they have more tables on the riverbank than any other restaurant too. They've been here the longest. We're going to take a left turn right here. You see, so far, everything I've taken you through since we started was formed naturally. The San Antonio River itself is over 10,000 years old. It's fed naturally by an underground freshwater spring.